Hello everyone, this is April, the artist behind InvokeArtSense. Today I will be doing this drawing as a second video to my ZenPop unboxing, and I'll link the card on the top right. And the ZenPop unboxing was Pastel Fairy Tale, Pastel Fairy Tale with Rapunzel, and it had a unicorn and a rabbit and stuff. But I did this sketch. I started this sketch in class when I was working last week, and so I thought, why not make this into Rapunzel? And so this sketch here, that's just a girl here, became Rapunzel here with a similar hairstyle but with the long hair. And I added a unicorn here, and because I added a unicorn because the little fairy tale from ZenPop theme also had a unicorn. It has a unicorn in the actual smoothie or unicorn cafe cup here. So a unicorn slash Pegasus is actually the same, has wings and a horn here. Alicorn. And I will be doing Rapunzel, her dress is already purple, and the background will be this color here, is what I'm going to go for. I'm going to use this color schemes that was included in this box. She's basically got the same color scheme as Rapunzel that we know of, and then just a blue background and blue overall, and then here with the alicorn. But that is not the... Yes, I have a wonderful surprise in this video. I also made some stickers. So these stickers are vinyl paper. So they are water resistant. And I printed them out with my printer. And I hand cut them because I don't have Cricut. So I will be doing a giveaway of this piece here, as well as these stickers. One person will win them all, and I will send them anywhere in the world, but I will include the rules that you need to follow to enter the giveaway. We have an oil painting piece I did, gouache piece with a mermaid, marker, 2-color challenge, basically, 3 colors. In a ScrawlrBox unboxing I did previously, a watercolor piece of mine, and a marker mermaid with a hippocampus with her. You will get all these stickers. You'll get the 5 stickers and this drawing here, and that is it's 5.5 by 8 inches. So all these things you will get if you enter the giveaway, and the giveaway date I will have it open until March 31st. Please look in the description for all the rules that you need to follow, and everyone, good luck. So as the caption on the bottom says, it ends March 22nd. So I had originally planned for March 31st, but that's too long. It won't be good. So just a 2-week giveaway duration is good enough. So after March 22nd, I will upload a video to announce the winner. So please remember to watch that video, because otherwise you would not know who won. And I will need your contact details at that time when that winner wins. So, but all that will be in the description in my video. So basically look at the description, and it's pretty simple. But the big thing is you need a comment below. I have 5 stickers that I showed you. I want you to comment below which sticker is your favorite, and that will enter you into this contest. I will use a simple old-fashioned draw method. I will write everyone's name down, their username, and pull from a hat or pull from something, and I will make a video doing that, and in that video I will announce the winner at the same time, and that will be after the 22nd, of course, maybe a day or two after that. And you will get this drawing that I use Copic markers and Ohuhu markers and the 5 stickers that are vinyl stickers that I'm so happy with. And this drawing also, I decided to go a little bit different. I usually use marker line art, liner. And I went ahead and used color pencils. I used raspberry in Prismacolor, and I thought the effect was more softer and a better desired effect than a straight black line. And I did use Copics as much as I could, but I don't have a lot. I have a lot of Ohuhu markers, and they work really just as well, maybe even the same for the most part. I'm really happy with them. And I do need to make a video to review my next markers that I bought. I bought ELO markers, and I will be doing a video with those. Don't know when, but I will be doing a video on that. And also, this is kind of a giveaway, I guess. I only have 238 subscribers, but I do appreciate each and every one of you, because I have been sick lately and I haven't been consistent with uploads, but 238 people at least enjoy my art, and I'm trying to get my art, and I have a lot of goals for 2020, and doing this drawing here is a goal too. Doing besides sketchbook art, doing full-on drawings that are not just sketchbook art. That was one of my goals. Doing something that was an original drawing that could be used for finished work too. Finished work to make stickers, finished work to sell as original drawings eventually down the road, and also possibly selling finished original art and prints down the road, along with selling. And I'm thinking of selling my stickers as a start on Etsy. And please comment below, what do you think about that? Would you buy stickers from me? And I will start with that, and maybe think about adding prints after that. But I have a lot of things that I'm thinking about right now, but this drawing itself, some lucky person will get this drawing and 5 wonderful stickers. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you next time for the next video announcing the winner in the giveaway draw video. I'm sure everyone can't wait. So after March 22nd, that will be announced. And see you next time for the next video. Goodbye, everyone.